Oh, hell no. Hell no, bro. YouTube Wagwan, man, you know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're going to be looking at gym fails. I don't know about you guys, but anytime I'm in the gym, I do see some crazy stuff, man. So I I'm not the type to record anybody, but you know, if I see it here on the internet, I will watch it. I'm not going to be laughing at anybody's pain either, but you know, some of this shit is funny. So hopefully all these people got out uninjured, but we're going to be cracking on with that, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit sub, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know which one of these moments is the funniest to you. And have you ever seen anything like these ones when you've gone to the gym? Yo, honestly, this is a move I've never tried to do. If you're an Olympic lifter or whatever the case is, I guess it's something you have to do, but I just don't see why I would need to do this. You know what I'm saying? Like there he goes. Like we see this video and we're not really taking it in. That could have just broke this person's neck. Look, safe. It looks like that is liable to slap the shit out of him. Ow! Fuck. Ow. Bro, that does not look safe. Why would he do that? Oh, that's one of those bone knocks. You can hear it in the squeal. Here we go. Head top. Bro, the way he got up and shook it off, he's like, what the fuck? It's not normal. Alright, bro. Have at it. He must have done that on purpose. There's no way. He's gonna fall on her. Oh, that's not bad. Yo. Oh, damn, this nigga deezed. Oh, hell no. Hell no, bro. Hell no. They basically made him fail. He was just fine. All somebody needs to do is give him one of those, you know what I'm saying? You guys come tumbling over the man, bro. You know, man, and he could have got injured like that, bro. Like, okay. Alright, Gramps. Deal with him, Gramps. Back in his day. Oh, shit, Gramps. You got caught. Yep. That little bobbling balloon hit you with the counter right. Oh, and he out. Oh, shit. This is not looking good. Oh, shit. Yep. Oh. I think that's a skill. Could have broke your neck, though.
Yeah, lightweight. Let's go.
Fainting? That is embarrassing. I'm so scared when I see these ones. Oh. That was a good save, though. Don't tell me he's slipping off of that shit. Ow. I've seen fighters do this. So. But it can go wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Gotta clip that shit before you whip that shit. You don't slip. That's what yo, bro. This one of my biggest pet peeves in the gym is when people drop their weights. I don't care. Yes, I get sometimes, you know, it happens. Like you know, you're going for a PR or something like that, or whatever the case is. You don't need to friggin' drop your weights from that high. Control the whole movement, man, and put it down. If you can't do that for every rep, what's the point? Then you're not really, you know what I'm saying? But as I said, other than your 1 rep max or whatever you're chasing, it's a little different, you know? But some men take it as a habit to do stupid shit like that. I'm actually not mad at that. Stupid. That was a little extra. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ow. Striker pose. Alright. She's gonna fall backwards. Mm-hmm. All fun. Do you break something? Ow. And there he was. And here he is now. He broke something. No kids. Bro, just lean it to one side and slip off the bench. I would not put it there. I mean, he's good. Ow. Oh, bro, if that shit fell on his ankle? I think that's a farmer's carry. It's not supposed to be a farmer's run. Oh! Woo! You got it. You got it, champ. Do not drop that shit. Tilt that shit. Yo, bro, why is his face red like a balloon? Yo. She ain't serious. She wanted to be done. He's wildin'. He's wildin'. Okay. Bro, that's an in-home pull-up bar that you attach to the door. It's getting held by something. It's getting, like, it's cotched on something as small as it can easily slip from a pull. What a dummy. You get what you give, man. Yeah, I always see these type of guys in the gym. The Spider-Man and shit. Training for the Justice League, Avengers shit. Ow. That could have been bad for the back of your head. You good. Just do some neck ups now. Oh, shit. Wow, this shit is crazy, actually. Oh. And it's stuck to her sock. You good, champ. Don't drop it. That nigga said, hey! Ow! What? Is he laughing? Is y'all gonna help the man? Something doesn't look right here. Okay. So you do see that there's a bar slapping the shit that you're doing. You're just not smart, alright? Bro, it's always these Olympic moves. He thought he was gonna get away. Oh shit, get your ass outside, man. See you later. I don't like this shit either. This assortment of weights on the bar, that's annoying to see. I mean, to each their own. Like, that's not a big deal, but get up and just fucking deadlift that shit now. Nigga, on your eyes? You realize your eyes, like your eye socket. That he dropped it on his nose bridge. Look at that shit. This no. And there goes the wheels. That's why you gotta use your pins, man. Use the clips. Hit the roof. That's not bad. This is low-key cool. My guy. Trying to start early out here, I see. Alright, you almost there. Not on your face, not on your neck. That was a good save. Ow! He meant to do that, guys. Oh, shit. Oh, wow. What happened here? He almost died. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, ow. Nigga, there's no need to do shit like that. There's no need. Yep. Yep. Oh, is that allowed? Nigga held it on his stomach or like...
Come on.
Is this the same guy?
One more.
Nigga, your spine is not
Come on, Ty.
happy with you. Yes, sir. Get that shit, uncle.
Who this for again?
Easy work. Who was it? Yo, that shit was... Yo, look at his friend's face, bro. The man's like... They're wrong. They are wrong for